Who should be Time STEM Person of Recorded History? Well, none other than Mildred Dresselhaus. Let's learn a little bit about Mildred. Here she is. She's getting a medal from President Obama, which must mean she's done something special. Mildred was born in 1930. She's a native New Yorker, and she was born in Brooklyn. She attended Hunter College for her undergraduate degree. Afterwards, she became a Fulbright Scholar and went to Cambridge University, returning to the United States to study at Harvard and finally receiving her PhD from the University of Chicago. After that, she spent 2 years at Cornell and then she moved to MIT, earning tenure in 1968. She is the first female institute professor at MIT, really high accolade. In 1990, she was awarded the National Medal of Science in recognition for her work and also because she is a role model for women in technology. In 2000, her achievements just piled on. She became director of the Office of Science at the U.S. Department of Energy because most of what she was studying is related to the conservation of energy. She also was chair of the governing board of the American Institute of Physics, and she just continued to serve on a lot of different boards. In 2014, all of this was culminated in her award of the Presidential Medal of Freedom. This is the highest award that is given to civilians in the United States. We could spend all day talking about all of the awards and accolades she has. But Mildred came from very humble beginnings, and this is important to know because we can all rise above that. Her quote, "One of the overriding things for many who grow up in poverty is a simple desire to escape. I think it was sort of obvious to me that escape had to be through education, and that's a lesson I think we all can keep with us." Other things that she has done, Dresselhaus is known as the queen of carbon science. Her experiments led to fundamental understanding of the electronic structure of semi-metals, especially graphite, and her research inspired Nobel Prize-winning discoveries. She also pioneered nanoscience and began a new field of energy in carbon nanotubes. Isn't that incredible? She also is highly devoted to helping women in the sciences because she herself was mentored by a woman who later did receive the Nobel Prize, Rosalind Yarborough, and she also felt that it's important for women to be represented in the sciences. So therefore, what can we say? Mildred Dresselhaus needs to be the Time STEM Person of Recorded History. She's the queen of carbon. She's a pioneer of nanoscience. She's an innovator of graphite. She's a mentor for women, and she has such a multitude of distinguished awards, I don't even have time to go over them. There you go, Mildred Dresselhaus. She is the Time STEM Person of Recorded History. If you need any further information, please access these resources. Now go vote for Mildred!